Bought a spaceship, now I'm a space cadet. Big white mansion in my habitat.
Hey guys, it's Misha Main. I'm back with another video. Oh my god, I look atrocious. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like it's like good lighting, right? It's because I'm using my ring light, and it's my first time ever using it for a video. So like I'm really excited. So it's gonna be like some good quality, like professional YouTuber or whatever. I thought it was supposed to make you look better, but I feel like it's just showing all of my imperfection. For today, I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me, like updated makeup routine slash like hair view, because as you can see I got some new hair. It's like a different color. Clearly you can't even see it as much with actually, yeah, you can. It's like a brown, like I've been told like caramel, we'll call it caramel because it's looking very caramelly. Like there's like some blonde highlights in it as well. I'll talk more about the hair later on. But yeah, this is gonna be like a little get ready with me, like what I do for my face. Let's just actually start because I'm going out. I have to leave in like 1 hour, so I have to finish my makeup in that 1 hour and stuff. So I just wanna like get started. I'm just gonna start by moisturizing my face with some cocoa butter. In the winter, I don't know if this is just me, but my skin gets really dry. Like, so you can see with this lighting, you can see clearly my cheeks all here. Do you see that? So we're just gonna lather up the moisturizer just so we can really be moisturized. Now that our skin is very moisturized and hydrated, I like to start off with my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brow pomade in the shade medium brown. I feel like it's a bit dark, but whatever. So I'm like trying to get back into like posting regularly, and I really hope this like maintains as like when I go back into school, because like currently I'm on Christmas break, so like I do have a bit more free time. As you can see, there's no batteries in this. It's like supposed to light up, but it's okay. Yeah, I just hope like it goes on as I go back into school, because like right now I'm on Christmas break, so I was able to like edit my last video. If you haven't seen it, I'll put it in like the card here so you guys can go watch it. It was my move-in day vlog, which is like 4 months late. Like I was literally supposed to upload that in September, but you know, things got busy, and then like I came to a point and I was like, oh, I feel like it's too late to upload it. So then I just kept on like, because I thought I wasn't gonna ever upload it until I thought I was just never gonna upload it actually. So then I would just wait, and then I would like talk to someone about it, and then talk to someone about it, and then they'd be like, oh no, you should post it, like you should still post it, blah blah blah. And I'm happy I did post it because it's doing really well. But like when I go back to school, I'm going to be trying my best to be like doing more vlogs like a day in like my school life, when it comes to like my school and stuff and classes and doing work, tips for people entering university. I don't want to like say anything, like any promises, like I'm gonna be uploading every Friday and every blah, 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 and then you like see me go ghost, because like I've done that way too many times. But what I can promise is that I will be trying my absolute best to be uploading videos like more and more often and more regularly for you guys. Like it actually excites me when I post it. I like posting videos, I like making videos. Don't really like editing videos too much. I'm gonna conceal my eyebrows with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, which is not the shade I should be using. I should be using, I forgot what it's called. But what I do is I just put it on the lid, you know. I take my brush, and I'm just gonna, I don't know why I'm holding the mirror up. Just gonna conceal. For a period of time, I stopped concealing like the top of my eyebrow, but like now I went back to concealing it. But what I do is I don't put like more concealer. I just use the remainder of like what's on the brush, and I literally just like go over and trace over it to clean it up a bit, because I don't like the look of when it's like too concealed and then look like too fake. Oh, my eyebrows are still kind of like that, but still like I just go over it like that, and then I take my beauty blender and then I actually just like blend it out with the beauty blender. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same thing for this eyebrow. Now next, I'm just gonna set my eyelids with some setting powder. I use the Sasha Buttercup. Okay guys, so here's my little foundation story. So I was previously using the Makeup Forever HD foundation. It's a good foundation, it is. But now that I've tried like different foundation, in the summer I get really dark really easily. Sorry, I've not been looking in the camera. I'm gonna start that now. But like, I decided to get the Too Faced Born This Way. God, guys, honest to God, best foundation I've ever used in my entire life. Like literally no joke. It's like done. Like this foundation's done. I need to get a new one. I need to get a new one in this shade. I need to get a new one for the summer. Like, cause this foundation is so good. It just literally makes my skin look so smooth, so nice. And it's in the color Chestnut. And I recently realized that I can't keep using this foundation in the winter. Cause you know when you just love foundation, you just want to keep using it. I got a new foundation, the NARS foundation in the shade, I don't know how to pronounce that. This one is a bit too light. So what I've been doing is mixing the NARS one with oh my God. I've been mixing my NARS one with my Too Faced one to get like the perfect shade, and it works out perfectly. So I just do like 2 pumps of the NARS one. I mean the Born This Way. Look how dark that is like on my hand. But my hand is like way lighter than my face. And then I take like 3 pumps, because this is so tiny with the pumps. 3 pumps of the NARS one, and I just mix those together. And then I just blend out my beauty blender. I'm not a brush person. So foundation is now done. I have makeup all over my hands. This is really bad. So next I'm gonna conceal with my, once again, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Underneath my eyes, down my nose, around my nose at the bottom here, on my chin. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with my beauty blender that is torn to shreds. After concealing, ew, look at my hand. I'm gonna be taking another one of my LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And I just go right here with some, and then right here with some more. Okay, once that is blended as best as it can be, because it's not blended that well, I'm not gonna lie, I'm finally going to set my concealer everywhere with my Sasha Buttercup powder. So while that's setting, I go to my eyes. So this is like an everyday look. Most of the time I won't wear eyeshadow, but sometimes I do just because I like to add like something to my eyelids. So I'm just gonna go on my Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. So I'm just gonna take Cashmere Bunny and put that in my creases. And then I'm gonna put like Nudie mixed with the Day on my lid. and now we can dust off the setting powder. Next is some blush. Here's the problem. My blush I left at school because it's like broken, and if I packed it, it would have gotten everywhere. So right now I've been using an eyeshadow from this eyeshadow palette. I've been using Real Girl as my blush, and I think it's been going well. And then next is to go in with some highlight. Okay, so for highlight, I'm gonna use my Sephora highlight palette, which is also broken. Oh my god, everything I have is so messy. I'm just gonna use the shade by itself to highlight, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the beauty blender after. I'm gonna take a bit more and put it in my inner corners, and my face is like pretty snatched if you ask me. I'm using my Rimmel London Wonder Lash Mascara. Okay, so final step is the lips. I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe. First I'm gonna take off all the makeup on my hands so I don't stain everything I'm wearing. This is our finished look. I'm gonna take a second to put away all my makeup stuff so I can fix my hair up, and then we're really done. About this hair I ordered online from a vendor from AliExpress and it was super cheap. I ordered 3 bundles plus a closure. I ordered black hair, and I got it dyed by the place I get my hair done at. They customized the color, and I love this color so much. I was so nervous with doing like a color because I've never done colored hair before. I've only ever done black hair, like dark brown hair. This is only one day I've had the hair in for, but like I did get it dyed, as I said, to this color, and it looks really good. But what I will say is I didn't dye the hair, so I don't really know about like how it was while dyeing. But where I got my hair done, like who dyed my hair, she told me how like my hair, like when it was coming to like putting the blonde highlights in, it didn't take to it very well. Like it was kind of hard to lighten it. It was really affordable compared to the hair that I had installed previously. But yeah, so the hair, would recommend if you're looking for like affordable but still quality hair. Hair was really fast with shipping. The only thing was like the problem with me is because I kept on not being home and they needed like a signature. Yeah, that's the full look. This is my full final look. It's really simple, as I said. Is it simple? I think, yeah, it's pretty simple. There's like minimal eyeshadow. Didn't do too much, like it's pretty simple. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're still not yet subscribed. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the video and what other types of videos you would like to see in the future. That's it for today. Oh, and I will link down below like the vendor and stuff for the hair. This video, oh, forgot to say, not sponsored at all, just so you guys know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.